Imagine yourself in a crucial business meeting, trying to close a massive deal with a potential client based in another country. You're sitting in your conference room with your counterpart on the other end of a video call. But instead of a laggy, low-resolution feed, you're treated to a crisp, seamless video experience that makes you look like you're sitting in the same room. That's what the Poly Studio X52 all-in-one video bar with TC10 controller kit promises to deliver. And today, we're going to find out if it lives up to the hype. But before we dive in, let's talk about the current state of video conferencing. We've all been there, stuck on a call with a jerky, low-frame rate video that makes us look like we're trapped in a bad sci-fi movie. And it's not just about aesthetics. Poor video quality can lead to misunderstandings, miscommunications, and lost productivity. That's where the Poly Studio X52 comes in, designed to address the need for high-quality video conferencing that's seamless, intuitive, and scalable. So what's the first thing you notice when you unbox the Poly Studio X52? The sleek, compact design that looks more like a high-end audio component than a video conferencing device. But don't let its good looks fool you. This thing is built like a tank. The sturdy metal chassis feels premium, and the weight is reassuringly solid. But how does it perform in real-world use? The TC10 controller kit that comes with the Poly Studio X52 is where things get really interesting. This nifty little box allows you to configure and control your video conferences with ease. With a simple, intuitive interface, you can adjust camera angles, mic levels, and even schedule conferences without breaking a sweat. The TC10's compact size and 4-inch touchscreen make it an elegant addition to your conference room setup. Now, let's talk features. The Poly Studio X52 is a powerhouse of video conferencing capabilities. With 60 frames per second, you can expect stunning video quality that's virtually lag-free. But that's not all. This device also supports H.323 IEUT recommendations for high-quality, enhanced performance. What does that mean for you? Essentially, it means you'll enjoy crystal-clear video, even in low-light conditions, and a level of video quality that's simply unparalleled in the industry. Real-world testing reveals just how capable the Poly Studio X52 is. Take, for example, a conference with multiple participants across different continents. The Poly Studio X52 handled the heavy traffic with ease, delivering seamless video performance even when the going got tough. But here's the thing, video quality isn't just about the device itself. It's also about the network it's connected to. With the Poly Studio X52's network RJ45 connection, you can rest assured that your conferences are rock solid, no matter what kind of network infrastructure you're working with. So what are the pros of the Poly Studio X52? For starters, its compact design makes it perfect for conferences with limited space. The TC10 controller kit takes the guesswork out of video conferencing, and the 60 frames per second video quality is simply stunning. However, there are also a few cons worth mentioning. For example, the Poly Studio X52 can be a bit pricey, especially for smaller businesses or individuals. Additionally, the device's bulkier size may be a deal breaker for some users. When it comes to competing options, the Poly Studio X52 stands out for its sheer video quality and intuitive design. While other video conferencing devices may offer similar capabilities, the Poly Studio X52's H.323 IEUT support and TC10 controller kit give it a distinct edge. That being said, if budget is a concern, there are definitely other options worth considering. But for those willing to invest in the best, the Poly Studio X52 is the clear winner. In conclusion, if you're looking for a video conferencing solution that's as sleek as it is powerful, the Poly Studio X52 is an absolute must-see. With its cutting-edge video quality, intuitive design, and robust features, this device is the perfect combination of form and function. And with our special promotion, you can get an unbeatable deal on this incredible piece of tech.